Hidden among Connecticut's rolling hills, this 1830s farmhouse was more than just a house. It was a time capsule. And with a bold yet respectful renovation, it's now a space where history and modernity live in harmony. The transformation began with a mission: don't lose the character. Architect Douglas C. Wright listened. The original structure was preserved and celebrated, and the new addition, a bold black silhouette that recedes quietly into the woods, honoring the past without imitating it. Step inside, and the spaces open up. What was once a maze of narrow rooms is now bright, layered, and alive. Interior designer Fawn Galli crafted a mood that's both grounded in history and joyfully expressive. In the kitchen, cheerful yellow cabinets meet a gleaming tin ceiling, a surprising combination that simply works. It's a room that feels as welcoming as it is original. A red couch pulls you toward the warmth of the fire. Natural beams overhead remind you this home has been standing for nearly 2 centuries. A screened-in porch stretches the full side of the house. It's a gathering place, a morning coffee spot, a front-row seat to the seasons. Upstairs, the bedrooms maintain a poetic balance of old and new. Period furniture, handmade quilts, and wide floorboards speak softly of the home's age. Even the hallway is a moment. With built-in bookshelves lined in bright floral wallpaper, it turns a transitional space into a vivid destination. In the new wing, the design shifts. Vaulted ceilings, crisp whites, and playful contrasts make this the perfect counterpoint to the historic shell. The bathroom offers a quiet retreat, with a view framed by windows that feel like landscape paintings. Raw textures meet fine finishes for a look that's refreshingly honest. And tucked up high, a whimsical loft for kids. Low ceilings, floor beds, and just enough rough charm to inspire daydreams. Downstairs, in the Black Edition, the vibe shifts again. This game room is fun, free, and full of light, ideal for modern family life. From every angle, this Connecticut farmhouse stands as proof. You can honor the past while embracing the future, boldly, beautifully, and with soul.